How to add Discord link to YouTube channel. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about how you can add Discord link to your YouTube channel. So first of all, you need to get your Discord server link. For that, open your Discord application and also open your Discord server over there. Now, once you're in the Discord server, tap on the add icon in the top right corner of the screen. And there you will see the option of share invite and copy link. Tap on copy link. You need to go ahead and add the link to your YouTube channel. Go to youtubestudio.com, log into your account, and in the left hand side of the screen there you will see the icon of magic wand. Tap on it. Once you're in the channel customization page, scroll down and there you will see the option of add link option. Tap on it. And here you have to enter the link title, such as we're trying to add the link of our Discord server, so we will type Discord, and under the URL simply go ahead and paste the Discord URL that you just copied in your clipboard. After that, tap on publish, which is highlighted in white color in the top right corner of the screen, and you'll be done. So now your Discord link is on your YouTube channel, and it's that simple. So give it a try. And also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.